Everyone loves a good deal. And at Trip Turbo, we make sure your travel and adventure bookings come with exciting discounts. With promo codes, you can save more on travel activities, and it works on Trip Turbo mobile app and tripturbo.com. You can find active promo codes under Account Promo Codes. If you've received a voucher code or redeemed one using TT Coins, you can find it under Account and Vouchers. And if you've received a special code from our partners, the process is the same. Applying a promo code for bus tickets. First, log into the Trip Turbo app. Tap on Bus Tickets. Enter your departure and arrival locations, select your travel date, and tap Find Buses. Choose your preferred bus, select your seat, and tap Proceed. On the checkout page, tap Apply Promo Code, enter your code, and you'll see the discount applied instantly. Then, select your boarding point, fill in your contact details, accept the terms, and tap Pay Now to confirm your booking at the discounted price.
Applying a promo code for flights, log into the Trip Turbo app and tap Flights. Enter your departure city, arrival city, travel date, and number of passengers. Then tap Find Flights. Select your preferred airline and tap Book Now. On the payment page, tap Apply Promo Code, enter your code, and the discounted fare will be reflected immediately. Fill in passenger details. Accept the terms, and tap Pay Now to secure your flight at the reduced price. Applying a promo code for activities. To apply a promo code for activities, log into the app and tap Activities. Search and select your desired activity or service. Tap Check Availability. Choose your inventory if applicable. Select tickets. Add extras if needed. And pick your preferred date. Tap Proceed to check out. Then tap Apply Promo Code, enter your code, and watch the price drop instantly. Fill in your details and tap Pay Now to confirm your booking at a discounted rate. And that's how to apply promo codes on Trip Turbo.